Hello!
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 So if you don't know me, I know you do, but I'm Marina, this is Phoebe.
Hi Phoebe!
Hello! Today we are celebrating Father's Day, so please make sure that you tell Daddy or your uncle or your grandpa, I love you, okay? Mwah. Let's see. Today we are going to do...
Ooh.
Phoebe, what is this?
It's a tie!
My dad wears a tie to go to work because he's black. So, we are going to see how you can do this at home for your daddy, okay? So first of all, what do you need? You need a square of paper, okay? What are we going to do? We fold it diagonally, the way, so you can see better, okay? And open, and you do the other diagonal. Nice. Thank you. So at the end, what are you going to be seeing? If you open, you have here an X. Very good. We open, and this corner.
Yeah.
Okay.
To the center.
To the center. Then the upper corner to the middle too, to the center. Perfect.
Yep.
The bottom up to the center too, all the way through. You can also follow the video that we uploaded from YouTube, okay? Because maybe you cannot see this as clearly as I do. Then we turn here and we do the same on the other side, bottom all the way up. Nice.
Like that?
Okay, very good. Now this little flap here, there we go. Okay, looks like a little duck. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we take this to the middle. There we go.
Okay.
Perfect. And we fold just a little. You see the difference here?
Yeah.
We fold and we fold. So this is the way it's supposed to be.
Like that?
Okay.
Okay, very good.
Perfect. So now what are we going to do? We are going to fold. Wait. To fold. To fold. Okay. So you have to put the corner. This is the most complicated part, maybe. Okay, but don't be frustrated.
Don't worry, if it doesn't work the first time, you can try again.
So we do a little belly fold. People who come to my classes know where this is.
Okay.
So, what do you do?
Mine. How do you do a belly fold? I think mine's wrong.
No, it's not wrong. Why is it wrong?
No, I think
And you put your finger here,
Mhm.
and you do this. You crush this corner. There we go. And this corner up, there we go. Two.
Oh, very lovely.
Lovely.
Beautiful.
And then what do? We fold here, all the way down, and on the other side too. Hopefully it will work.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think so.
Well, well, we kind of did this part, but maybe it's that way. No, we did something wrong here. I remember we did something wrong. Okay, so Sylvia, you can edit from here, okay? So these, okay, but we have to work from this, no.
Should we start again?
We have to work from this side, so. You have to fold this.
Like that.
Like that.
I see, okay.
And
Backwards instead of forwards.
exactly. We did it forward, but it was backwards. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. And now, belly fold, belly fold. Belly fold, belly fold. Put your finger inside here, and you put it on the table. Always easier to work origami if you're working on a table.
Okay.
Or on the floor, or whatever you want to do it this way. And this way.
Cool.
Okay? Now, we fold all the way down. And what do you have?
You've got a tie.
You can also fold it here up a little bit if you like it to be fancier. And then a little trick that Miss Miriam taught us with a sheet of paper. We fold it to the middle, like this, like a little book. You do like this.
Fold over the edges.
What do you think this is, Phoebe?
Is it a t-shirt?
Close, close, close.
Is it a shirt? Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, 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 ding. So then we can put some glue here, and inside you can write Happy Father's Day. So that's it. Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day!
Bye!
Bye.